Okay, Grand Turk, Turks and Caicos, aboard Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas. So let's see what we're looking at here as we walk off the port, or as we walk off the gangway. Lots of people, well, people everywhere, but lots of people in the water. So let's go explore what Grand Turk Cruise Terminal has going on. Beach all the way down here. People are enjoying themselves. Okay, so as we enter through the duty-free area, now we're out into a little bit of a plaza. Oh, we've got the obligatory Diamonds International. Some ice cream. This is probably some different vendors for excursions. But yeah, we'll explore a little bit and see what's going on. Okay, we'll do a little bit of a beach area over here.
They can sit in the middle.
A whale of a good time. So I'm not sure how much is going on over here, but got a little bit of bar area, got some piers. It's just a beach area, but we have the beached whale, eat like an islander, chicken tenders, fish and chips, queso and chips. Yeah, that's how the islanders eat, guys. Some beach rules here. Throw trash away. You know, no diving. Swim within the roped areas. Then there's this rocket. Embraced by Paradise. Splashdown. Grand Turk. Oh, it's cool. Looks like there's this space area from when there was a splashdown from Nassau in Grand Turk. It's pretty neat. Yeah, more shopping in the main square. Looks like just past the shopping, you have the taxi and tour area over here. All really close by. Right next to the beach on the other side of the gangway is the craft market, where they have crafts. Probably didn't need me to tell you that. I will say I cannot confirm or deny that any of these crafts are actually made by locals or even anywhere near here. But they do have a craft market and they have a Starbucks coffee for that local brew. And of course an Effie. So, you know, it's very, very standard port fare here. Very salt. So here you can kind of see Turks and Caicos, the islands, the welcome centers there. And it's not a very big island. But this stuff's not super duper far away. We got of course, the world famous Margaritaville here as well, which I believe has pools, so let's see. And we found the back end of Margaritaville here, so yeah, it's a pool. It's kind of packed in, a little bit tight. Look at those little, say rent me on them, rent me cabanas. Rent me whole little cabin things. But yeah, a little pool area back here, and it looks like you can see in the distance the Grand Turk Flow Rider. And there they have multiple people on the Grand Turk Flow Rider, but those are probably the instructors, it looks like. So yeah, I mean, I'm guessing that that's pretty much it for Grand Turk. Unless you want to take a taxi somewhere or go to one of the local towns nearby or something like that. It's just a little port shopping area, pool, Margaritaville, stuff like that. So just something to keep in mind. I know it's owned by Carnival, so we're next to a Carnival ship. Royal doesn't normally come here, but here because the Labadee sailings are being changed to different ports. So yeah, that's kind of Grand Turk going on, and if I have anything else, I'll put it in here. But otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more in-depth port things for other ports, and follow along on my journey on my Path to Pinnacle Club Royal Caribbean with vlogs and updates and tips and tricks. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so we have another map here, which kind of shows Turks and Caicos within the Caribbean here. You are here. So you can see from the top of Freedom of the Seas, that's Grand Turk terminal and stuff down there. Those are the beaches. Over to Margaritaville in that area, but you can see beyond, there's really nothing out there. So you would have to take a taxi or one of those buses from the terminal to be able to go anywhere on this island. There's nothing nearby. But yeah, just wanted to show that from the aerial view from aboard Freedom of the Seas.